Yeah, hi Bindu, where are we? Yesterday we have gone through some collection.
We linked list we have completed until
Yeah,
linked list
then we have gone through the collections, right?
sections. Yeah,
Under that collections, this is a collection
list and
button interface, right?
yeah,
Under that we have the child in collections like list and set.
yeah, list set.
Yeah. So these two are the child collections from the collections. So this is also an interface only. Under that we have the implementation classes array list
Array list and linked list.
and linked list. So similarly, we have hash set and linked hash set. We have these two, right? Linked hash set. Same purpose is.
Actually, it's break. Your voice is breaking, sir. Hello.
Okay, okay. Still, it is breaking.
Yeah. No. Now it is better, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because I have connected that internet, right? So maybe that is the
Okay. What's
problem.
okay?
So
Okay,
now
sir.
it is. If anything is deviation, let me know so that we can see whether we can
Okay.
able to
Okay, sir.
continue or we can drop off. So these,
Okay,
these
sir.
these all are we have gone through it, right? And
Yeah.
apart from this, now all these are storing. This is an object, right? So it stores a group of objects. We can store it in a single unit, right?
Yes, sir.
A group of objects. Group of objects we can store it in a single unit. But now my question is, suppose if I here is there any key value pair coming into the picture? Say for example, I have some emp id and emp name, right? So
Yeah.
I have this id and name in terms of key value pair, right? So
Yeah.
how are we going to represent this? So if I want to get this EMP ID and EMP name, so there is a concept called map interface. That is not a collection interface. That is a separate, uh, consider it as a map interface.
Okay.
Map interface. Okay. Under that we have
Okay.
the hash map.
Okay.
Hash map. So with the help of this, we are going to use this. So here we can have the key value pair. We can say it is a key value pair.
Okay.
That means that your data is going to store in a pair. Okay,
Okay.
whenever we are going to use this map interface, that key should not be duplicate. Key should not be duplicate.
Okay.
Okay, but compiler won't throw any error message if it is a duplicate. Then what is going to
Okay.
happen? See here, suppose I am having these all are, it is going to treat it as a table. You assume that you are aware on Excel sheet, right? Are you aware
Yes,
of
sir.
Excel sheet, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in this Excel sheet, how this is going to be treated? This is a
A
rows and
column,
columns, right?
columns. Yeah.
So this is nothing but a row.
Yeah.
And this is nothing but a column. So that is nothing
Column.
but these all are the entry. So we are passing the data here. Okay. So similarly, this
Yeah.
is these three are the rows. So we are going to pass data here. So this is nothing but an ID. This is nothing but ID, and this second one is nothing but a column.
Mm.
So in
Okay.
such a way that we need to get the values in terms of ID and
Name.
name. Okay, so that is why we are considering it as a key value pair. Suppose here I
Okay.
have 10. In this I have
Okay.
10, and here my name is some, assume that no. Okay, then here I have my name is 20. Then here Sri. Then again I have the key. So 10, right? And here
Okay.
has some RAM.
Other name.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now what is going to happen if this is the situation?
Duplication.
As we said that keys should not allow duplicates, right? This is the key. ID is
Yeah.
the key, and this is nothing but a value.
Okay.
So in this case, what is going to happen? It is going to replace the latest value.
Yeah.
Okay, so here this is the latest value, right? Ramu with this key 10.
Right. Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so rather than
Okay.
this value, it is going to replace this when you are reading or control, when you are
Okay.
entering the value, it is going to treat it as a latest value out of those
Okay.
2, 3 IDs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and these all are nothing but data structures, right? As we discussed, data structures and algorithms. So to control the
Yeah.
flow of our programming and all. So this collections concept, we can treat it as a data structures. And whereas in the algorithms where we have seen in the control conditional statements, looping statements, where we can control the programs, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Okay.
that is how we are going to use here. Again, in this we are having the different methods are there. In this hash map also we have the different methods. Now let us see, we will create one program, then we will go into the methods, which all are the methods available over there. Okay, how to retrieve that. So basically our
Okay. Okay.
intention is to maintain a key value pair. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir, this set, hash set and linked hash set we didn't cover, no, sir.
Okay, that we will see now. Linked has set,
Okay.
right? Same only. We are just,
Okay.
we will have some methods, right? Whatever we have did in the has set, right? So the same thing only we are
Okay.
going
It's
to
just that, okay.
correct, correct. So just replace with that with, as you said that we'll have. I will tell you that also I will explain.
Okay. Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here, if as we discussed in the map interface, right, we have to use the hash map hm is equal to
Ashwin,
new
yeah. Okay.
hash map.
Okay.
Now we are going to import this present under java.util package. Okay.
Ashwin.
So here we have a method called put method, whereas in the linked list, what is happening? We have add method, right?
Yeah. Add method.
Yeah, so here in the
Yeah.
similar manner, here we have put method. Put, we can use
Okay.
the
Okay.
put method. So
Okay.
here it will ask you
Mm.
the key value pair. See, when here it is showing, right, object key and value
Object key. Yeah.
right? So here I am going to use the
Yes,
10
sir.
and same, whatever the value you are going to
String
represent.
and yeah.
Yeah, here we can use
Okay.
the, okay.
Okay.
So now again, if I have to add multiple values. So here I can use 11. Values can have the same. Values won't be any restrictions. Okay. So
Okay.
values can
Only
be
key has to
any,
be unique.
yes, values can be duplicate. It will allow. Okay.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
key is also allowed, but it will replace the latest
Replace
value
the
over.
values. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, like this. See now how to retrieve this, how to read this.
So,
System dot
okay.
dot
HM we can put.
yeah, println. Okay, so if I will use now. Okay, so this is represented as an object, right? This is, you are having the values. It is printing
Okay.
in terms of key value pair, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we can, so here this is now put method. Suppose if I want to remove some Ravi or Sri or Amar or any value, so what I need to do,
Okay.
we have a method called here, we can replace or remove, we will get it here. So hm dot, here we can have the remove method. Okay,
Okay.
so this is under hash map, right? Object.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here if we can use the value as 11,
Key.
12.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. It
so
will
now
remove
what is
Ravi.
going to happen now? Whichever the
It'll
key
remove that
value,
whole, yeah.
yeah, whichever is the key
12
value
and
is
Ravi.
there, yes, this is
Yeah.
going to be removed now.
Remove.
Okay, so
Okay.
see that value
Okay.
has been removed, right?
Yes, sir.
So now again I can able to add values here. hm dot, if I want to add put, then it is going to be add it here. Okay, similarly
Okay.
I can use 15 and and this is a double quotes, again name should be in a double quotes always.
Okay.
Okay, now again we can have the,
Object printed.
yes, so now it is going to print that value again.
Add. Yeah. Add a new key value page.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
So now my question is, I want to get Ravi in the console output. How to do that?
Okay.
Suppose if I want to get only Ravi, right? So in that
Maybe
case,
give that,
yeah,
yeah,
how to
some
do that?
method which,
System, yeah, system dot out dot println.
println.
Here
HM
we
dot.
have the hm dot get method. Get
Okay. Okay.
object key.
Get.
So which is
Okay.
which key you want exactly? Suppose if I want,
12.
yeah, if I want 12.
Oh, but 12 is removed. So,
Yeah, 12 is removed. So now we can use any other value. Okay.
okay.
So now 13 is Amar, right? So now it will print the
Yeah.
Amar. Amar is your
Okay.
output now.
Okay.
Now if I can run this, we will get the Amar, right? Output.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So similarly, we have some Boolean conditions also, true or false. Say for example, if I
Okay.
want to confirm whether 14, this RAMA Ramya is right or wrong. So we have a contains method. Okay. So what is that? System dot out dot println hm dot contains. We have a method called contains key. It's written a Boolean value, right?
Yeah.
Boolean. So
Yes.
if I keep 20, what message you will get? What it will throw?
Not our, I don't know, like,
Yeah,
it's
because
not
this
there.
is not present, right? 20, there is no
Yeah.
value in the key. So
Yeah.
Boolean value it returns as a false, right?
False. False. Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose if I use the same thing 13 or 14 or
It'll return true.
correct. So if I use the if I use 12, we will get the false. But if I
Yeah,
use
false.
13, then I will get the true.
True.
Okay. See, I
Okay.
will use here 12 also because we have removed Ravi, right?
Yes, sir.
So now there is no existing in the key. So if
Okay.
I'll run this, it will print Boolean conditions whether it is true or false.
Yeah,
See,
it
false,
printed.
true,
Yeah.
false.
False.
Okay, so see, these all are the operations, right? What we have did here, we have by using put method we have created. So in our general terminology, we have a concept called as a CRED operations. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
CRUD, CRED operations. So what does it
Okay.
mean? This C is nothing but a create.
Okay.
Create. That means that
Okay.
by using put add method, you are creating the records, right?
Yes.
So R is nothing but the read
Remove.
or
Oh,
retrieve.
read.
How to
Okay.
read this? You are reading by help of system.out.println and then you are
Yeah.
calling, right?
Yeah.
Read or retrieve.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then U is nothing but a update. Suppose if
Okay.
you want to update something, then you can use the update method, right?
Yeah.
Then we
Yeah.
have D is nothing but the
Delete.
delete. So
Delete.
by using remove method, we can delete the records,
Yeah.
right? Here we
Okay.
have
Okay.
removed, right? hm.remove.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I want to update 12 or 13 Amar with Hari or something. So what I need to do, I have a method, if you can see here, right? So, so here hm dot replace or see we have a replace right here object.
Yes.
So I can replace with one. Suppose if I use replace 11 with here.
Some name, new name.
So here, but then now let's run what is going to happen.
System.out.println.
Yeah, we have already written right here. So here
No, I mean like to see the
replace
object.
11. So here we have replace.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah.
Normally it is not replaced because it is printed it is printing that Sri only. See, it
Okay, it's
printed
not
as a Sri because whatever the value it is,
okay.
that is only printed. So here hm dot we'll see what replace. See
There's one more
key,
like old value, new. Yeah.
yes, object key and object value, right?
Yeah.
Replace object key and object value. So here we can use 11. The same thing only we have given, right? Test.
Yeah.
System dot out dot println.
HM.
Okay, let's run this. Okay, it is replaced, right? 11 is equal to test.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
means that, so here we are using, when you are considering a CRED operation, so we are creating, normally this is nothing but a create. So this put method,
Yeah.
this is nothing but a create operation.
Okay.
Okay. Because this CRED operations, mostly in API testing, we are going to hear this concept, CRED operations,
Okay.
creating by adding or values, and this is nothing but deleting, remove. Okay. And then we can add here, this is nothing but the update, right?
Okay. Yes.
Update. So like this, and this is nothing but a retrieve. We are retrieving the data, right? This is nothing but retrieve, read.
Yeah.
Okay.
Read.
Yeah, read. So
Okay.
if you want, we can
And
have
removed
here
also.
system dot out dot println read. Okay, like this. So if I can,
Oh, semicolon. Semicolon.
yeah.
And line.
So these all are the different methods, and here you can see, right? Read, how to read
Read. Yes, sir.
values, right?
Yeah.
So, these all are the
Remove is delete. Okay.
yes. So now here also we have some methods are there. Like suppose if I want to get, if I want to print only key values, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Here now, as of now, what it is printing here, it is printing key
Both key
value
and
pair,
value.
right?
Yeah.
But I want to print only the keys.
Keys.
That means
Okay.
10, 11, 13, 14, 15, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, we have method called hm dot set. We have key set. We have hm dot key set. This is right. It
Okay.
returns hash.
Yes.
It returns as a set, right? This is,
Okay.
and this is hash
Yes,
map.
sir.
So here we are going to store it under a set. Set s is equal to this one. So this is set is nothing but an interface. So this one it returns, right? So we need to import the
Okay.
set java.util package. So this is comes under. So now if I have this, how to,
New you have to keep, no, sir. No
which
new.
one?
Okay, set is equal to hm
No.
dot key.
Why? No, this is
It's
a,
not in.
no, that is not required, because we are
Okay.
just simply calling, that's it, right? Here
Okay.
we don't have any that object
Okay.
creations.
Object creation. Okay.
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 So if I run this system dot out dot println, we can use yes. Okay. So now if I can run this, what is going to happen? It will print all the keys.
Okay.
See. Okay. 10 comma 11 comma 13 14, right?
Okay.
So suppose if I want to print only values, then we have a method called set values. So similarly, that is also hm dot key value. This is contains key. This is a Boolean value. Okay, hm dot values. Okay, this is
Collection.
Boolean, and this is the values collection. Okay, so this returns as a collection. So what we
Okay.
have to do? We need to use the collection.
Collection.
Collection S1 is equal to, or V1 is equal to hm dot values. So this is collection java.util package. Okay. So now if I can run this, we will get the this.
We haven't seen this kind of concept before, no, sir. This set. collection,
Yeah,
like
that
feels
depends.
like a data
Depends.
type.
Correct. So those all are that depends on the methods. See, we have there,
Okay.
we have the array list, right? So we
Yeah.
have array list here, right? Array list, linked list, which all are the methods present under that based on that only we can perform the actions. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So what are the methods present under that? We can use
Okay.
those operations.
Okay.
Here we have all these methods are there, so that's why we are utilizing those things which all are able to make the things. See, now we have one more set is there, entry set. So as discussed in the
Okay.
rows and columns, right? So here,
Okay.
what are the entry values are there? Entry. Okay. So for example, we have this is a entry point. So this is row, this one is entry. So this is nothing but one entry, second entry and third entry, right? So we have a method
Yeah.
called entry set. So what we can say that
Okay.
hm dot entry set, this one. And this returns also set only.
Like
Entry.
we can okay. And okay, is it like entire key values we can give at once?
Yes. So this is entry set. Set is equal to S3.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you can call this as S3, then you will get all the values.
Okay.
Entry set. So we will get the all records pertain to that particular set. So like this is nothing but a set. See, this is set,
Okay.
entry set. That means 10 Srinath and the see here the way of representing is different. This is a set and this is a collection. See this.
Okay.
See it.
Within
This is,
curly braces, it is
yeah, this
showing
is
collection
curly
within
braces and
brackets.
here it is showing it as an array, right? This represented as a set.
Yeah. Yeah. Array.
Okay.
Okay.
So now you are already aware what is set list and set, right? Set, what is going to happen in the set? Duplicates are not allowed, right?
Not allowed. Okay. Yeah.
So this is
Okay.
nothing but a set. See here
Okay.
we have one more operation called, we have a iterator. See now, as of now, we are going to read all these values with the help of system.out.println and then we are making the HM or whatever we have, right?
Yeah.
So in the similar manner, we can able to read with the help of cursors also. So what
Okay.
are those cursors like enumeration and iterator and list iterator? So these all are the cursors which we are able to have. So with the help of those iterator, what
Okay.
is meant by iterator?
Something
Iterator,
that goes on
list
loop. Yeah.
iterator. Then we have enumeration. Okay,
Okay.
enumeration. So these all are the cursors which we are able to, with the help of this also we can able, and we have for loop also, right? For each, for
Yeah.
for each we have
While and do.
that's till now.
Yeah.
With the help of for loop also we can able to read these values. Okay.
Yes.
So now here, now so this now has, now this is a set. Okay. So this is how
Okay.
we are going to use all these concepts. Now this is a set. Similarly,
Okay.
we can see whenever we are going to practice something, right? When we type hm dot, any value, see with the help of hash map, this is the hash map, right? We can see which all are
Okay.
present under this clear. Suppose if I do clear, what is going to happen? Suppose if I use here equal object or for each or
Okay.
get or is empty, so notify void. So we can practice only some which all are the important. Okay. See,
Okay.
this is the put method
Okay.
which is going to be insert the values, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there a way to insert multiple values at once?
That is here.
Multiple key pairs.
No, multiple key pairs in the sense you have to use this method only. So you
Okay.
mean to say
Like
that
one by one.
how you are what is your doubt? See, here we have implemented, right?
Like,
This is one we
yeah.
added. So in this similar manner, if
Okay.
you want multiple, then there is no other option. So here we can use the 16 and 17. This is what you are asking,
Okay.
or how?
Yeah. Yeah, like I was like in one HM dot put one statement,
Hmm.
can we create multiple key value pairs like using some semicolon separator or something like that? We can't do that, right? Since it's a method, we can only, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, I got it. Yeah.
No, I got it
We
your
have
point. So
to,
here you are
yeah,
saying
yeah.
we can keep semicolon and then we are going to use some more
Yeah. I don't think
like
that's
this, right?
possible since
20
it's
comma.
yeah,
No, this won't be possible.
possible. Since
This
it's a
is,
method, it'll have,
yeah, this
yeah,
is correct.
limitation. Yeah, okay, sir.
But you have a concept called if you want to add, right, array list or something. So for all this we
Okay,
can get it. Say for example, if I have one more hash map here, okay.
okay,
Hash map h1 is equal to hash map. Okay. So this is
okay,
there. So I have a option called h1 dot. When I am going to add h1 dot, right? When you are adding the
okay,
put method, we will get all put all map is there,
okay.
right?
Oh, okay, yeah,
Okay. So here we
okay,
have a option called we can use the hm. Okay.
okay,
If we want
okay.
to get it all those values.
It'll copy into a new object,
Correct,
all
correct. So
the
now
values.
I am going
Yeah,
to add h1 dot put uh, 25 come 25 and then addition. So
okay.
what is going to happen apart from that HM
It is
list,
gonna
right?
add more. Yeah,
Yeah. So now
it
if
will
I
add one more.
system dot out dot println, if I call this h1, what is going to happen? Along with that HM objects, it will add
It
the
will add new key
25
value
comma
pair.
addition as well.
Yeah, okay, sir.
See, this is
Oh,
addition.
wait.
It is added, right?
It's random.
Yeah, it's random because
Okay,
this is not an order. Order is not preserved here also. Okay.
okay,
But we have some more methods like list this one reverse order or sorting or shuffle. We can have shuffle also. We have a method called h1 dot shuffle. We have a method called
okay.
h1 dot h1. Now we have one method. See that h1 dot shuffle. Collections dot shuffle. See here we have collection dot shuffle, right? List.
Yeah.
And these are comes under list, but this is hash map, so it won't. It will return as a randomly shuffle. If you can use shuffle, right? It will print the random values.
Random. It will shuffle the since no, I think array list will is in like always
Yes, yes.
orderly manner, so it will shuffle that, but
Yeah, yeah.
others automatically shuffle and give the
That will
values
come. Yes,
in
correct.
random. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So he okay, entry set we have. So And similarly, yesterday we have gone through these some objects, right? So arrays and this linked list. So here we can use this short option. So this one, you have this shuffle, right?
Yeah.
So if we want to shuffle, then we can use this method, collections dot shuffle. So how it is
Okay.
going to get retrieve the values? We have one shuffle. I will just remove. And as discussed that iterator, right? Iterator.
Yeah.
So iterator also we can have this method. So like this. So iterator, and then we need to call this whichever we have. Here we have emp1, and similarly here also we have emp. So these are going
Okay.
to be print with the help of iterator. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
It will print one by one after another. So
Okay, sir.
this one, right? Shuffle. So where we have this shuffle? See, this is the shuffle, right? So this 412, 4,000, this 4,012 we have, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
412, 4,316. And normally you should print by using shuffle. So, okay. And so we can, when we are practicing, just check which all are the methods are available. With the help
Okay,
of
sir.
that, how we can get the output. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
when we are practicing, we'll come to know that. Okay. So,
Okay.
how we can. So this one is iterator. As we discussed here, this is one method of retrieving the data, right? Read.
Yeah.
So in the similar manner, we have iterator also. So how we can use
Okay.
that iterator? Iterator I is equal to emp, right? We have the object emp dot iterator list. Okay. So iterator.
Okay.
So here iterator have a methods called has next.
Okay. What's next?
emp dot has next. Here iterator.
I is not in caps. That's why. No?
No. We have has next. See, that is initially we have the same thing only. So what we have here? See this one emp1 dot iterator. That
Okay.
we need to use it in a while loop.
Okay.
Okay, so while loop we have a method called